Well, that's it. The dust has settled. Christmas is over. New Year is in. All the big boys have done their end of year YouTube vlogs and the start of year YouTube vlogs. So I thought it was time for me to do mine and have a bit of a look back at 2018, a bit of a self-critical look at it. And I look forward into 2019. So stay tuned and we'll start with my 12 favourite pictures of 2018. Enjoy. Let's talk about the plus points of 2018 first. In late 2017 I decided I want to sort of drive my Instagram a bit and take it to the next level and aim it purely at my photography. I think I managed to achieve that. I started 2018 with about 200 followers. I think I looked the other day, it's just over 1200 now, so I think I managed to achieve that. However, I've noticed over the past few months that I've started putting non-photography related stuff back on my Instagram, which is not a good thing. You know, me doing barbecues in the garden and the likes is not what followers of photography pages want to see. So I'm going to get around that by setting up another Instagram account purely for my private life and keep the unscripted Nomad one purely for photographs. So Instagram was a success. I think that was a success. My YouTube channel, this channel, I started 2018 not knowing what to do with it. I was talking to some other friends who run YouTube channels, and I wanted to sort of drive it in the way of my work, but the trouble here is it's a lot of client confidentiality, and I can't really put most of what I do on YouTube, or at least in the public domain, I should say. So I decided that I would push it towards the photography side more than anything, which I've done. And my subscribers have increased, I think. Considering my YouTube channel is still very much in its infancy, and I still need to learn a lot about creating vlogs. I think I've gone from something like 40 subscribers to, I think I've got 60 and a couple now, maybe 62 subscribers now. I don't think that's too bad personally. I'm happy with that over the last 12 months, that's good. I know that sometimes it's difficult to get these vlogs out, especially trying to hold a full-time job down and do these vlogs is a bit difficult to get them out week after week after week. It just doesn't happen. It's just not going to happen either. So I'm going to drive my YouTube channel more this year. I've got Instagram where I want it to be. YouTube is going to be driven this year. Which brings me round to the photos that I've just shown. I was very surprised when we picked those photos out that there wasn't more landscape photos in there. I was expecting there to be a lot more landscape photographs in my 12 photos of the year. But there wasn't. And what's become apparent is most of the photos in there are from when I'm travelling with work. Sunsets in Duckham, things like that, pictures of ships. It's all because I'm there on site and travelling with work. I also think I picked less landscape ones because I wasn't happy with them. I've got a bit of a saying, you're either you're either walking to take photographs, or you're taking photographs because you're walking. Well, I always used to take landscape photographs because I was out walking. My passion was always been walking, and it was natural just to put a camera in and take the camera with me. But I recognise in myself I've got to the stage where I'm deliberately going out now, walking, to take photographs, and taking more and more and more gear with me. And it's, I feel because of that I've lost the passion for walking and taking photographs as a result. So this year I'm going to go back to taking photographs because I'm out walking. Carrying less gear. I think my photographs have sort of got slightly worse over the year through this because I'm carrying more gear and wanting to use the gear, and it's not necessarily needed. So I'm going back to camera, a couple of lenses, filters and a tripod, that's it, nothing else. And it'll be purely out because I'm out walking. Hopefully my landscape photography will come back up because of that. But as I said, I think that the front row on this one is going to be the travel and the maritime style photography, the stuff I do while I'm away working. You know, it also means that when I'm back at home, I can spend more time with the family rather than every weekend wanting to go out and take photographs. So I think that's the way we're going. Prioritise the travel, and the maritime landscape will be again purely because I'm out walking. I want to have another bash at street photography as well. I enjoyed what I did in Singapore, even though it was with a zoom lens. I think I need to sort of put the 10-24 on and have a go with the 10-24. Although, like I said previously, that's outside my comfort zone, and I don't like being up in people's faces with a camera. But you know, maybe I need to give it a bit of a try. We'll see. So yeah, 2019 in summary. Set up a new Instagram account to put my Unscripted Nomad one purely as not landscape photography, purely for photography, nothing else. Improve my YouTube channel. I know my vlogs can sometimes be a bit amateurish. Sound quality can sometimes be a bit poor. This one, in fact, is probably the sound quality of this may not be fantastic because I'm shooting on the Nikon A900, no external mics or anything, and it's probably a bit echoey sat on this balcony. I want to improve my vlog quality. In other words, the video side of the photography I want to improve. Not just the filming part like this, but also the B-roll and the sound quality and the in general, the post-production. I'd like to sort of fine-tune that a bit more now. Apart from that, we'll see how 2019 develops, and we'll at the end of the year see whether I predicted right and whether the maritime stuff has taken a front row and landscape has improved but more of a back row. Anyway, I'm going to thank you all for subscribing, and also all of those that follow my Instagram. Thank you for that very much. Much appreciated that the following has increased so massively. Hopefully we'll have a good productive year, and hopefully you'll carry on following me and subscribing to this channel. Share all you wish. More than happy for my photos to be shared anywhere you want. Have a good year. Thanks very much.